Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking the head. Sketch a circle, then add a simple jaw to define the face shape. Once done, draw a vertical center line to keep features aligned. Add a horizontal eye line at roughly 1/2 the head height to place eyes evenly. Make 3 quick tick marks for brow level, nose base, and chin to measure distances. Keep strokes light so you can adjust. This immediate structure speeds the whole process and prevents proportion mistakes later. You now refine. Map the eyes 1 eye width apart and sketch lids and pupils to capture the initial expression. Next, build the nose with basic geometric planes, triangle or trapezoid, so shading reads correctly later. Position the mouth about 1/3 of the distance from nose base to chin and use a light guideline for lip thickness. Then adjust jaw and cheek angles depending on age or gender, softer curves for youthful faces, sharper planes for mature looks. Make sure to compare left and right for symmetry. You finish by solidifying the drawing. Darken the final contours and erase construction marks gently so you retain correct form. Add hair volume and ear placement relative to brow and nose. Block in simple shadows under the brow, nose, and lip to suggest depth. Vary line weight, thicker at shadowed edges, thinner for delicate details, to make the face pop. If things look off, stop and remeasure. Align features to the center line and adjust spacing. One small tweak often fixes apparent asymmetry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.